Hi everyone, welcome to today's crochet tutorial. Today we're making a cute little sea otter keychain. It's a fun and quick project that's perfect for adding a little charm to your keys or bags. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. For round 1, start by making 7 single crochet SC stitches into your magic ring. Pull the ring tight to close up the circle. This is the foundation of your otter's body, so take your time. Next, for round 2, we're going to increase in every stitch, so do 7 increased stitches ink. This means you'll place 2 single crochets in each stitch. Keep going, you're doing great. For round 3, we will do a combination of single crochet and increase. Work 1 single crochet SC, then increase ink. Repeat this for the round. This will start to form the shape of the body. Now for round 4, make 21 single crochet SC stitches all the way around. This is a simple round, just make sure to place 1 stitch in each stitch from the previous round. For round 5, we're going to start shaping the body a little more. Do 3 single crochets, then increase, C, then work 6 single crochets followed by an increase, then finish with 3 single crochets. Keep going, you're making amazing progress. Rounds 6 through 11 will all be simple, single crochet rounds. Do 24 single crochets in each of these rounds. Keep your tension even, and remember, consistency is key here. You're doing a fantastic job. For round 12, do 3 single crochets, then a decrease deck, then work 6 single crochets followed by a decrease. Repeat this pattern and you'll notice the body starting to take shape. For round 13, do 21 single crochets around. This round is another simple one, just like round 4. You're almost there. For round 14, do 7 C-deck. So you'll work a single crochet, then a decrease, repeating this pattern for the round. This will begin to close the body shape. Now, let's stuff your sea otter. Gently stuff the body to give it a nice rounded shape. Be careful not to overstuff, as you want it to stay soft and flexible. For round 15, do 7 single crochets, but don't close the round. We'll leave it open for now, as we're going to crochet the tail next. Keep up the great work. Now for the tail. Turn your work around and crochet the back outer half stitch, 3 stitches in total. First, do 1 chain, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, slip stitch. Then repeat the same steps again. This creates the tail that's just perfect for our sea otter. For the hand, crochet 2 chains, do a double crochet, DC, then 2 chains again. Repeat this for about 9-10 rows. This will form the small hand of the sea otter. Keep crocheting, it's looking great.